Crane spreads its wings. This hand should be ideally about shoulder height. So we turn the center slightly to the right. And here, watch. As if you have a string attached to your ankle. And the forearm is going to roll slightly. To here. And as the foot comes over, the left hand will brush. Brush knee. About 6 inches above your leg and 9 to the side. See? Okay. Turn your center line more towards me. Yes. So the hands come off the center. Okay. So first all the way around. And then arm and leg together. Just can clear your body just a little bit. Yeah. Okay, good.